Three printhead 4 colors plus white. RIP software, United Fancy main top. Sandwich white printing. Ink, UV curable ink. A strong complete printer structure with high mechanical strength, for stable media feeding and print output. Curing method, UV LED lamp. Print speed, 4 pass 11/H 6 pass 7.5/H. Be equipped with taking up system, and feeding system front and back. 3-stage countertop heating, front, middle and back. Auto cleaning, wiping and capping system to improve ease of use.